So we have here yogurt with the fruits. So Japan is living really in the future. So this is really bendy. This is very convenient, like me working. And dahil nga napaka-isugashi, napaka-busy ng mga Hapon, so they're thinking about how everybody can save time. Kasi almost of them also, I think, don't eat breakfast because kasi nga marami nga sa kanila busy, laging work, mabilisan. Kung kayo nandito sa Japan, kita nyo naman takbo dito, takbo doon ng mga Hapon para lang makaabot sa bus, sa train, ganun. So, ganun din ako. Ganun din talaga ako. Tanas ko yan. Takbo habol sa bus, ganun. So, yan. We have a yogurt here, and then let's open the dried fruits. And then, just drip it, diba? It really saves time. Kung tamad ka magluto, tamad ka kumain ng mag-prepare ng breakfast mo, this is very convenient. Pero kung early person ka naman, not like me, maybe you can prepare your breakfast or prepare the food at night. So, may breakfast ka kinabukasan. That's the technique. Diba? So, we have here, what is this? Ano pinagkaiba nila? Banana and dry fruits yogurt. Ito. Itong is 3 flavor to eh. Skittle. Ano Skittle? Hindi ko alam. Tanpaku. Dapat pala ito yung kinain ko. Tanpaku shitsu. Mataas yung ano niya. Tanpaku shitsu niya. Yung protein. Yung pa difference nila. Ngayon ko lang na-check. Vanilla and dry fruits. Ito kasi top cup. It's just, ito naman, Shubutsu, blah blah. Shubutsu ki, I don't know. Diba? May mga kanya-kanya silang vitamins. Dapat pala ito sa akin. Later na. Na-open ko na eh. And may direction naman siya. Futao akeru. Buksan daw itong ano. Yan. And then, masete taberu. Pagka-open mo, boost mo, and then masete. Mix. And then, tabete. Kain. Eat.